What about Cherisha? Is she attending? Cherisha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Adia online. Mariana, Adia, Ivania. All of you understood morning class, whatever I taught? Ivania, Lemula, response students. Done? Okay. Can you see the screen? Is it being shared? Fine. One quick revision, students. Then we'll start. What about the graph? Only Lemula extent. Ivania, Adia. You'll still didn't do it? Joanna, Ivania, Adia, Mariana. Even this one is for studying, right, Adia? Even this for what they have given. Hmm? Even this is for studying. 10th standard board exam. It would hardly take half an hour, students. Huh? No, you every time half, Mariana. Every time incomplete. Test whatever it is incomplete. Whenever I send the homework questions, whatever it is incomplete. I gave that for you all to practice, students. If you're not doing it, what is the use? Fine. We'll start. Before that, we'll just quickly tell what is the formula, students. Tell me the formula. Transformation is equals to transformed image is equals to, tell me, a k into what? Yes, original image. So this you call it as image map, image model is equals to k into pre-image or original image, pre-image, original image or actual image, actual, or we call it as pre-image. Image is something which is formed. It can be mirror image, water image, something which is formed, transformed. So basically just remember this, P is equals to K into O, TKO. Okay, remember this term, TKO. K stands for scaling factor. Fine. Scaling factor. This formula is for side, diagonal, perimeter. Okay, side, diagonal, perimeter, length, breadth, height. All that we use this. For area, T is equals to K square into original value, K square. That is area. Next, T is equals to K cube into O. This is for volume. Basically, these are the three things. Along with this, you should also remember K greater than 1. Okay. When do we use K greater than 1, students? For enlargement or reduction? Respond. K greater than 1 is for what? When the transformed image is enlarged or reduced? If it is more than 1, enlarged. For enlargement, we use K greater than 1. K less than 1 is reduction. Okay, then K is equals to 1 is identity, same. There is no increase and no decrease. So remember only these three, these red ones. The one which I brought, only this. This is enough. Shall we start the next one? All of you respond. Joanna, is it clear? First two questions are done. Look at the third question, students. In a triangle, what is given here? Scale factor is given. Scale factor or K, right? What else is given? Site is given or area value given? Respond all of you. Third question. Look at the third one. A triangle PQR is reduced to a scale factor. So this triangle is increased or reduced, students. What is the word given? Reduction or enlargement? Reduced. Look here, reduced. Which means PQR is the actual image. For actual image, we don't draw dash. If it is reduced, look here, it becomes small like this. P dash, Q dash, R dash. Reduced. Next, scaling factor. Scale factor is equals to 0.72. Write this in decimal. Remove the decimal. If I remove the decimal, what should I write? 72 divided by respond 72 divided by what? 100. The scale factor. Who's shouting? Mute the call. What is area given, students? Area of PQR is how much? What is the area of this? 62.5. Find the area of its image. Which is the area of the image? This one, right? Area, what's the formula, students? All of you tell me the formula. Area of image is equals to area of image is equals to area of actual value. Area of image is equals to what? K into area of, yes, actual image or object. Actual image. Complete it. All of you will find the area, students. Be quick. All this is a very simple question. Tomorrow what we are going to solve, that is bit tough. Area of image is not given. We need to find. K value is 72 by 100 into area of actual image. What is area of actual image? How do you convert 62.5? 625 divided by how much? 625 divided by see, I've written the formula, Lamula. How do you write 6.62.5? You remove the decimal. Huh? How many decimal numbers are there? Do you divide by 100? 625 divided by 10. Others, is my voice audible? Joanna, Mariana, Adya, Vanya. Then why are not responding, students? Why are not responding? Complete it. Copy this and complete. Write the same thing. Diagram K value. What's the answer, students? 45? Hmm. 45 is the answer. 45 centimeter or centimeter square? What is given? Centimeter square. This is how you get. Maybe this question they might give it for MCQ students. It is not that tough. It is very easy. Shall we try the next one? Joanna understood? Mariana, Joanna? Next one. Read the question. Next one. Tell me what is given. A rectangle. Draw a rectangle diagram, students. Name it as ABCD. What is the area of rectangle? Area is equals to, is transformed under enlargement or reduction. What is given? Tell me. Enlargement. So this diagram is, it is enlarged. It has become like this. After enlargement, I'll write it as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Diagram is not required, just for explanation. About a point. If the area of the image, what is area of the image, students? Respond all of you. What is area of image? 1. So this area was 60 and this area is 135. This is transformed. Transformed. What is the formula? Area is given. So area of transformed image. Area of image is equals to K into area of what? Actual image, right? In this, both the values are given, students. Both the values are given. We substitute and find the value of K. K is the original factor. Fine. If it is enlarged, K will be greater than 1 or less than 1. If it is enlarged. Greater than 1. Let us check. Area of image is 60. 135. See, be careful. Don't write 60 here. Image is this one. Image is what we got. Transformation. K into area of actual image is 60. So K is equals to 135 divided by 60. Use 5 times table. Complete it. Draw the diagram for understanding. Even this is MCQ, students. It's MCQ question. Use 5 times table. 5 twos are 10. How many times it goes? 27. Then tell me, Vanya. Yeah. 3 nines are 3. And whenever you all write answer, students, K should be in the decimal value. It should be in decimal. Reduce it. 2.2. Isn't it greater than 1? Yeah, 2.25 or 1. 4 twos are 8, 1, 0. 4 twos are 8, 2. 2.25, students. And for K, there is no meter, centimeter, no value. K is a factor, scale factor. 2.25. All of you are understood? Shall we try the next one? Look at this formula. See, area is given, image, area into actual image. Mariana, are you able to do? Easy chapter. You like only these type of questions, right? Yeah, tell me what is it, Mariana? Only these type of chapters you like? You solve all the questions. Look at the next one, students. Till 5 it is fine. After that, It is bit lengthy. On a map drawn, what are the words I told for image, transformed image? We call it as image. Next, model and map. Even map also comes under image, students, not the original one, the duplicate, the transformed one, map. On a map drawn to a scale, what is the scale value? Scale k is equals to 1 is to, respond all of you all, 1 is to, yeah, this 1 is to 25,000, you can write 1 by 25,000. K is equals to 1 by 25,000. Let me erase all. K is equals to 1 by 25,000. Next, on a map drawn to a scale 1 by 25, a triangular plot LMN of land has the following measurement. A triangular plot, draw a triangle. Name it as L, M and N. What are the values, students? Respond all of you. What are the values? LM is equals to 6. MN is equals to 8. And what's the angle? Tell me the angle. 90 degree. Kind of, then what kind of rectangle is this? Is it the right angle? Not rectangle, triangle. Right angle, triangle. Angle M is 90. So it is supposed to be like this. LMN. From here it is tough. Okay, not tough. We should apply all the concept, whatever we studied. Now, LM is equals to 6, MN is equals to 8. If this is 90 degree, which formula we apply, students, to find LN? Or LN is not required. For now, LN is the actual length of MN and LN. Okay. Which formula we use to find the value of LN? Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. LN is the hypotenuse. LN square is equals to what? LM square plus MN square. Use Pythagoras theorem, find the value of Ln. What is Ln, students? 10. 10 centimeters. All of you got 10 centimeters. Shall we try the next one? Okay. I'll read the question. Concentrate, students. Concentrate. Listen properly. On a map, a triangular plot of land has the following measurement. So where is this? Is this the actual diagram or is it drawn on the map? According to this question, this triangle is drawn on the. Yes, this is not the actual diagram. Is this concept clear? Your meaning of land? Land is basically the on plot, students. Area on what we build your school, house, that is known as land. So definitely land cannot be 8 centimeters. Now, for example, you take your room or your house or the room which you are studying in. Room. In room, this is the wall. Do you think the length of the room will be 8 centimeters? Is it possible? No, right? It is not in centimeters, students. You just keep a scale and measure. Your room is too lengthy. It is not in centimeters, always in feet. We call it as feet, 10 feet, 20 feet wide. So whenever the concept of centimeter comes, that is not actual image. That is the duplicate image or transformed image. So this is the transformed image value. All these are transformed image values. All this concept is transformed image value on a map. On a map. What they've asked us to find? Tell the first one. The actual length of MN and LN in centimeters or kilometers. What do we need to find? Tell me. Kilometers, not in centimeter. All these are in centimeters. This is map value. So let us find the actual value of M and N in kilometers. So the keywords are, this is image. We need to find the actual image. in kilometers. In kilometers. Right? So I'll tell you the calculation part. Look, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. How many meters? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. Therefore, 1 kilometer is equals to, in place of this 1 meter, students, 1 meter, substitute this 100. So that is 1000 into 100 centimeters. This is the value. Make a note of this. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 into 100 centimeter. Thousand into 100. Now calculation part, student. Most of the questions will you have to convert into meter and kilometer. Fine. Now 1 kilometer, if you want to convert into centimeters, kilometer is always greater. Okay. Remember, kilometer is greater. From kilometer is greater, centimeter is smaller. From greater to smaller. If you are converting from greater to smaller, you have to multiply. Multiply into how much? Multiply into how much, students? 1000 into what? 1000 into 100. From greater to smaller. From smaller, if you want to convert from centimeter to kilometer, you have to divide it. You have to divide by 100 into 1000. 1000 into 100. Remember this concept. From centimeter to kilometer, divide it. Okay. Now I'll teach you the calculation part. This is the units. Conversion unit. Next calculation. ln is 10. We need to find the actual image. Write the formula. This is the transformed image value map. What is given? We need to find the side or area. All of you will respond. First question is what? Mn is side or area? Mn and Ln. Sides. So you have to write Mn. This is the image, students. This is the image on the map. If you want the actual image, just draw a small diagram like this. Again, today you all are late. Tanishka and Naomi. Yeah, good evening. Okay, continue from this question. We are doing the fifth question. Okay, both of you remember the concept, whatever we did morning. This fifth one, students. On a map drawn to a scale, what is the scale value we have? 1 is to 25 is nothing but 1 by 25. Okay. Next, where is this image drawn? A triangular pot is drawn on what? Map or the actual image? This on the map. Can you see centimeter is given? Only on map, centimeters will be there, students. Next. LM is 6 centimeter, MN is 8 centimeter. How did we find LN? Using which concept? Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, we got 10. Now, what they have asked us to find? Actual length of ln of in kilometers, students. Now, what you'll do, draw the same diagram, write it as L dash, M dash, N dash. This is just for reference. So, left hand side, whichever is drawn on the map, that is the duplicate image or enlarged image. Right hand side is the actual image. Let us calculate the actual image. What is the formula? Tell me the formula, students. First, we need to find LM. LM side LM of image. Side LM of image is equals to what? Side. Compare the other side. L dash. No, no. Before that, we missed out. Tell me the formula. Side LM of image is equals to K into what? Side L dash M dash. Is this clear? All of you understood? This is side LM, students. What is side LM? Value to side what? L dash M dash. This 6 is in centimeter. What they've asked us to find? Centimeter or kilometer? Kilometer. So the conversion is, look here, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. And 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now we need to convert kilometer into centimeter. So 1 kilometer, look at this formula. Take this formula is equals to 1000. In place of this 1 meter, students, in place of 1 meter, multiply into 100. This is the answer for 1 kilometer and centimeter concept. So kilometer is greater. From greater to smaller value, what are we doing? Multiplying or are we dividing? You have to multiply. But from 1 centimeter, if you want to convert into kilometer, you have to divide it. Divide by how much? Divide by 1000 into 100. Just make a note of these two concepts. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 into 100 centimeter. And if you want to convert 1 centimeter, it is 1 by 1000 into 100 kilometers. Just remember this conversion, students. Yeah, all of you will be quick. You have to complete this. Somehow complete, and tomorrow morning I'll be starting new chapter. So that will take around 4 days, 4 classes, 3 or 4 classes. So before New Year, at least 3 to 4 chapters I have to complete. Done? All of you completed, written this? Yes. So centimeter to kilometer you have to divide, students. Remember, centimeter to kilometer divided. Now, 6 is what? Centimeter or kilometer? 6. Convert this. So you have to divide by 1000 into 100. Is it clear? All of you understood? Now, how do you find side LM, L dash, M dash? Which one gets multiplied? Yes. The image which I have drawn is for reference, students. Better draw the image. Do the same thing in exam, you'll get marks. 3 marks question. Side L dash, M dash. Convert this. 6 into 25,000 divided by 1000 into 100. What's the answer? 3 zeros gets cancelled. How many times 100 goes in 25, students? 25 on the divide this. So this is in kilometers. Side L dash M dash is divide 6 by 4. Is it 2.1.5? Can you check in textbook, students? Whoever has checked textbook, can you check the answer? Is it 1.5 kilometers? 1.5 kilometers? What is given? Is it correct, Naomi? Kilometer? No, no, we have made a mistake, students. Oh, correct, correct. 1.5 kilometers square or kilometer, Naomi? What is given? Which question is this? Okay, this one. Okay, Tanishka, you have sent something. Okay, your mom had sent. I thought you sent the answer. Fifth one, Naomi. Fifth main, first one. Kilometers. Yeah. MN. I'm asking MN value, students. What is LN? Okay. What did we do here? What mistake have we done? Hmm? What mistake have we done? Can someone tell me what we have done? Which side did we find? Which side we have found, students? LM. Is LM required? Is that what we need to find? No. See, this is what happens. If you'll join late, because of your I'm doing some other concept. This is wrong, students. Don't write LM. What are the things we need to find? MN and yes, MN, and nobody is even telling. Okay, we'll do it again. M dash N dash. See, because of you all getting diverted, I'm solving some other question. L dash M dash is not required, students. MN and LN. MN, L dash N dash. Fine, no problem. Be quick. Let us complete this. Take the MN value, students. MN, MN of map. Side MN of map is equals to K into, tell me the formula. K into M dash N dash. What is MN value? 8. Centimeter is given. How do you convert into kilometer? 1000, 1 divided by 25,000 into M dash N dash, keep it as it is. Are we finding sides or area? Here, what are we finding? Side values. So K should be just K square. K should be only K. For the next question, we'll write K square. See, one simple mistake, again, waste of time. We have to solve from the beginning. Complete it. Find the value of M dash N dash. 3 zeros gets cancelled. How many times 8 goes, students? 8 ones are 8. No, no, sorry. 25 ones are 25 ones are 25. How many times? 4 ones are 4 2. 2 kilometers we have converted. Is the answer correct now? Or 2 kilo? You all find LN? All of you find LN? Write the statement properly, students. Like, write side LN of map. What is given here? On a map, rectangular plot. Side, write it like this. Side LN on map. Not off map, on map. Side ln on map is equals to k into, write the complete sentence. Actual mn, actual ln, actual side ln. Just mention the word actual, students. Actual is original, original or the real image. Ln is equals to 10 divided by 1000 into 100. We are converting into kilometers is equals to 1 by 25,000 into ln. What's the answer? 2.5. Write it. 3 zeros gets cancelled. 1 and 1. 25 divided by 10. Use shifting method. 2.5 kilometers. Is the answer correct? Is it 2.5 kilometers? Okay. So we are finding side, students. For side, the degree is 1. That's the reason only kilometers, not kilometer square. Look at the value, just kilometers. Shall we try the next part of the question? All of you done this? Done with this? Side ln on map is equals to k into actual side of ln. K value is given 1 by 25,000. If you want to convert, divide it by 100 into 1000. Look at the next one. Side or area, Naomi. What do we need to find? Area. If you want to find area of what? Area of the? No, actual area, right? Actual area. If you want to find actual area, what is required, students? Tell me the formula. Area on map is equals to what? K or K square for area. Square into actual area. It is understood rectangle. It is understood triangle. Now, K square. What is K square? 1 by into actual area. I'll write it as AA. Now, we don't know what is actual area, students. We have not seen that. But we know what is area on map. Is area on map given here? Is it given? Respond. Fifth question. It's not given and they will never give it. Using the triangle formula, can we find area? Is it possible? What is area of a right angle triangle? How do you find? Half into? Very good. See, this is what I used to tell you all. If you are very thorough in 8th and 9th standard, 10th is easy. Actually, 10th is easy, students, in maths. I feel 8th and 9th is tough, especially 9th too. If you're thorough with those basics, look, 10th, nothing. We just apply the formulas. Understand the concept, apply the formulas. So it should be thorough in 8th and 9th maths. Then 10th will be easy. Use this half into base into height, find the area. Base is 8 into height is 6. Is it in kilometers or centimeters area? So 2 ones are 2, 3s are 8 3s are 24 centimeter. 24 divided by how much if you want to convert into kilometer? 1000 into? Find the answer and cross check. So class is up to 7:30. Write this, do this calculation. Yeah, just write it in the main area, students, main column, calculation part. So triangle is done. Next they'll ask you rectangle. Rectangle, it is length into breadth. Then you'll have rhombus question. You'll have parallelogram, area of a trapezium. Then you have volume question. And 25,000, how many times 25,000 should be multiplied if it is k square? Twice. 25, yes, 25,000, 100 into 1000 into 100. Remember this because it is area. 3 zeros gets cancelled here. 2 zeros gets cancelled. So 24 into 25 into 250. And for area, write kilometer square, students. Actual area. Okay, it might take some time. We'll just calculate using calculator. You do the calculation. What's the answer in textbook? Is it correct? Response, students, right or wrong? 1,50,000. 1 point? 1.5 kilometer square is given. Okay. 1.5 kilometer square. So this 1.5 kilometer square. Square value is given. 200 and 250,000. 50,000. 1.5 meaning 1000 into 100. centimeter. Yeah, correct, student. Centimeter 1.5. Naomi, is it 1.5 kilometer square? Okay, fine. See, this one twice we have to divide it, students. I'll tell you all the reason. What is area we got? What's the area? 25 centimeter. Respond, all of you all. 25 centimeter square, right? Look at it. 24 centimeter square. If you want to convert into kilometers, all of you listen carefully. 25 centimeter. How do you convert into kilometer? 25 divided by. Response, students. 25. Okay, what is the degree given for this centimeter? What's the degree we have? What's the degree? 1. So you divide by 1. But here, what's the degree, students? For area, what's the degree? So 24 divided by how many times you have to divide? How many times like this? Into twice. 1000 into 100 twice. This is the concept. Okay. So if I got this, if square is given, divide it by twice. Divide that by twice. 24 is written only once. Don't write 24 twice. That is written only once. The reason is centimeter square is given, students. Centimeter square. So 1000 into 100 into 1000 into 100. Now 25,000 is also multiplied twice. K square is multiplied twice. So actual area is equals to 24 into 25,000 twice divided by 1000 into 100 twice. Just multiply twice like this. 1000 into 100. So what's the value, students? 3 zeros gets cancelled here and 3 gets cancelled. How many times 25 goes in 100? 25 ones are 4. 4s are 4 ones are 4 6 are. You get 6 by 4. Actual area is equals to 1.5 kilometer. Kilometer we converted. If it is area, kilometer square. Now is the answer right? Did we get 1.5? Perfect. Remember that calculation, students. 24 centimeter square, you should multiply twice because the degree is 2 there. You should divide twice. Okay, we'll take break. After that, we'll continue. Those who have done, I've completed this. Take break. We'll continue at 7 o'clock. Up to 7:30, I'll conduct. Okay, shall we start the next one? All of you online? Yes, students done? Respond. All of you completed? Next question. Look at the next one. Is it only 10 questions? Can you check your textbook and tell me only 10? Only one exercise, 10 questions, right? Yeah, sixth question. Do the sixth one for homework, students. Will you try the sixth one for homework? All of you all? The scale is 1,20,000, this time scale. The plot of a land. What is this? Actual image or the image on map? To be represented on what? To be represented on the map. Then the length in kilometer on the ground represented by 1 centimeter on the map. So kilometer is given. A plot of land of 10 area 10 students is to be represented on the map. This is not map. When kilometer is given, is it the actual image or the map image? Kilometer is given. Kilometer is actual image. So I'll just give an example. Length in kilometers of the ground. Length of map, length on map, length of ground on map is equals to K. I'll give an example. You all have to try it, students. I just give the formula. So kilometer is given, that is not map. Length in kilometers on the ground, represented by, find the length in kilometers on the ground, represented by 1 centimeter on the map. Okay. A plot of land of area 10 kilometers. Area value is given. So let us take area. Okay. Area of map. Area on map is equals to K into actual area. Actual area. So area on map is not given, students. Area on map, keep it as it is. What is K value? K value is 1 by 20,000, right? Into what is area given, students? 1 by 2 lakhs. Sorry, 2 lakhs. Yeah. What is area on land given? 10. What is given? 10 kilometers. How do you convert kilometers? Kilometer square is given. How do you convert into centimeter? You have to multiply, not divide. Which is greater, kilometer or centimeter? Kilometer is greater. Yeah. So from kilometer to centimeter, from greater to smaller, if you're converting, multiply, students. Right? So this is area. For area, how many times you multiply? What's the formula? K square. 10 into how many times you have to multiply, students? Tell me how many times you multiply 1000 into 100, once or twice? You have to multiply twice because centimeter square is given. Can you see? 10 kilometer square is given. Respond all of you all. 10 kilometer square, students. Okay, look here, let me explain. If just 10 kilometer is given, degree is 1. That time we multiply how many times? Only once. Only once. If kilometer square is given, kilometer square, you multiply twice. Complete this, find the area. We'll do this. It is a different question. We'll complete. We'll do it. Yes? I'll explain. Which part, Tanishka? Seventh one. 1 minute, 1 minute. Sixth question, not seventh one, sixth one. Give me a minute. Okay, look at the screen, students. Look at the screen. Stop writing. Read what is given, Tanishka. Sixth question. Main sixth question. Represented on the map, right? What is scale value? 1 by 2 lakh. Then a plot of land of area, how many kilometers? So whenever kilometer is given, is it map or the actual image? Actual image. It's on the land, students. Land. Okay. It is to be represented on what? Represented on the map. After once you represent, what you need to find? Length, ground, represented by 1 centimeter. So therefore centimeter is given, we have to convert the area in kilometers, that can be represented by 3 centimeters. The area on the map represented the plot. First thing we need to find the length in kilometers on the ground. Length in kilometer on the ground represented by 1 centimeter on the map. Represented by. Okay. First area value is given. Land of area. So use area, students. Let us find the area of map. First find area. Then we'll find the side value. Yes. In Tanishka, what is given here? Area is given, right? The word area. Let us use area formula. Tell me area formula now. What is area formula? Area of land on map, actual area, right? Actual area. Yes. Now tell me area on map, k square. What is k square? 1 by 2 like the whole square. What is actual area value? 10 kilometers square. Yeah, 10 kilometers square. If 10 kilometer is given, how do you convert it to centimeter? All of you listen, students. Stop writing. Listen. If 10 kilometer is given, how do you convert? If 1 kilometer is given, how do you convert into centimeter from greater to smaller? Or not multiply. Whenever you're converting 1 kilometer, correct, correct. We multiply. Multiply into how much? 1000 into 100. When the degree is 1. Here, what is the degree? 1 or 2? 2. So, how many times you multiply? What about 2 lakhs? Twice. Into 10. Keep 10 as it is, students. Multiply 1000 into 100 twice. 1000 into 100 into 1000 into 100. Calculate this. Reduce the values and tell me the area. The reason I took area is area word is mentioned, students. First, from area, we'll try to convert it. What's the answer? Is it 2.5 centimeter area? Area on map centimeter, correct, centimeter square. So here, how many zeros? 5 zeros are there. 5, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 gets cancelled. 5 and 5. It was a simple calculation. 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. All of you got 2.5 centimeter square. What about others? Are you calculating, students? Okay, complete it. Okay, 2.5. Just a minute. The scale of the map, the plot of land of area, 10 kilometers square, is to be represented on the map. Okay, we got area. Area on map is equals to 2.5 centimeters. Next, now first question, the length in kilometers on the ground represented by 1 centimeter on the map. The length in kilometers on the ground. Area we have 2.5. What kind of map is this? Plot of land of 10. Okay, keep this pending, students. Keep the sixth one pending. It seemed to be very lengthy. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll teach this tomorrow. We'll do the seventh one now. Okay, seventh. See, any of these type of questions, they don't ask in board exam. It's a too lengthy question. Even I get confused here. The length is asked. They haven't given what kind of diagram. Okay, I'll teach the sixth one. Keep sixth as pending. We'll do the seventh one. Fine, we'll do the seventh. What object is given in the seventh question? Is it triangle or a rectangle? Seventh one. Rectangle is given. On a map drawn to a scale, k value is equals to 1 by 20,000. A rectangular plot of land ABCD. So this is land, students. Rectangular plot of land ABCD. Is it in centimeter or kilometers? Respond all of them. So what kind of object is it on the map or on the ground? You've said on the map. So rectangle is given. Let me draw a rectangle. I'll name it as ABCD. What are the values given? AB is equals to 32. BC is equals to what? 24. Rectangle, both the sides are equal. What do we need to find here, students? Diagonal. Tell me. The diagonal distance of the plot in kilometer. Kilometer is what? On the map or on the land? Respond. If it is given kilometer, it should be on the land, right? Okay. If you want to find on the land, which diagonal we need to find here first? We need to find diagonal on the map. Right? So first question. Yeah, first question. Calculate the diagonal distance of the plot in kilometers. Okay, diagonal distance. Diagonal on map. What is diagonal formula, students? Diagonal on map is equals to k into diagonal on. Tell me, diagonal on land or actual image. Is this clear? All of you understood what I've written? We need to find the diagonal. Now diagonal on map, students. How do you find diagonal? What is diagonal formula? AC is equals to square root of L square plus. Yeah, find the diagonal. It's in centimeter. And we need to convert into kilometer. First find the diagonal in the map, students. Then just write the value. K value is 1 by 20,000. The sixth one is very tough and I didn't understand which diagram they have given. No object is mentioned. Square root of 32 square plus 24 square. How come 40? What is 32 square? Okay, adding. Yes, you have to add 32 into 32. 1024 plus 24 square is 400. Okay, 400. 25 is 520. 625, 576, right? 576. 1600. Okay. 1600 students. How do you find the root for this? What is the square root of 16? 4. And for 20 you take 10 outside. See, this 16 can be written as 16 into 100. Square root of 16 into square root of 100. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 100 is 10. That is how you get 40 students. 40. Is it in kilometer or centimeter? 40 what? Could you convert it to kilometer? Divide by 100 is equals to 1 by 20,000. Shift it, you'll get the diagonal value. This was a simple question. They have asked us diagonal. So first you have to find the diagonal of the smaller value, diagonal on map. Actual diagonal, right? Actual diagonal, students. Diagonal on map is equals to k into actual diagonal. Four zeros, five zeros. I think all the zeros gets cancelled. What's the answer? 8 centimeter or kilometer? We have converted, right? So what's the, yes. For diagonal, what's the degree, student? Degree is always 1. In the beginning, I told you all right, diagonal, height, length, side, all the side values, the degree should be 1. The answer is 8 kilometers. All of you understood? You'll get questions like this. Sixth one, you just ignore, student. We'll skip the sixth one. That is too lengthy and it is not. None of the questions were asked. Is any date mentioned here? Is any date mentioned? Respond. Any dates given? Yeah, 2005, 6, 7, nothing. They haven't given. Only reason is, only if you'll understand this, you can relate with the next chapter, students, next exercise. So just ignore. Ignore the sixth one. No need to waste time. All the easier ones will solve. A model of a ship is made. If the length of the model is 4, calculate the length of the ship. Area of the deck is 1000. Find the area of the model. The volume. Okay, we'll solve one volume question. So far we have done side and diagonal area question. Next we'll solve volume. All of you completed this actual diagonal. What is the second part? The area. What is asked? Area of the plot in square. If you want to find the area of actual area, students, what is the formula? Area on map is equals to k or k square. Respond. K square into actual area, right? That's it, right? This formula, actual area. How do you find area, students? How do you find area for a rectangle? Length into 32 into 24. Multiply 32 into 24. 768. Is it in centimeter or what? Centimeter. What is k value? 1 by the whole square. You have to convert this into kilometer or kilometer square, students. So how many times you divide it? Once or twice? Twice. This 768 should be divided by how much? 1000 into 100. How many times? How many times, students? Two times. Because area, we are converting area. Remember, kilometer square. If it was just kilometer, only once. We have to convert into kilometer square. So if you want to convert centimeter into kilometers, from smaller to greater, we divide. In the same way, this 2 lakh is 20,000 is multiplied twice. I'll write AA. AA stands for actual area. Cross multiply this. Did you all understand? All of you, all, Mariana, Joanna, Lemula, is it clear? Adya, Naomi. So I would say first two questions. Seventh one is important. Not important. They don't give students. 100% they won't give. Seventh one. After that, we'll skip all this question. We'll do a tenth one. One volume question. First, complete this. Cross multiply. Find the value of A, actual area. Fine. In this question, what did we find, students? Enlargement or reduction? What kind of question was this? Did we find the smaller value or greater value? Smaller value is map. Smaller value is map. Land is the greater kilometer. We found greater value. That is enlargement question. This was enlargement question. So in for your syllabus, you'll have only three types: enlargement, reduction, and K factor to find the value of K. This is not important. The next chapter, which we are going to start tomorrow, that is important. Similarity of triangles. You have similarity, then three concepts in that. Those are important. What is actual area value for the students? What's the answer? Nobody solved? Okay. 40, 40 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So 5. The same way, 3 and 4. 4 zeros, 4 0, ones are 5s are. What's the answer? Yeah, 768 divided by 25. 30 point. I'm getting 7 2. Is it 7 2? Okay, 30.72 is the answer. Check the answer in textbook, students. What is it? Correct? Okay, 30.72 is the answer. Kilometer square. No. If it is area, remember, divide it by twice. From centimeter to kilometer, divide by twice. This is the easiest way to do. The other way is, in the beginning itself, they convert, students. In the beginning itself, they convert. 768, they would have converted it. If you check your textbook or answers, some teachers will convert in the beginning. If you try to do that, you'll get confused. Better do it like this, step by step. 768 divided by 1000. So seventh one is done. Next, area we have covered, side we have covered, diagonal question is covered, enlargement is done, reduction is done, K factor is done, scale factor. Only one volume is left, 10th one. Just skip the 8th one, 9th one. A model of a ship. Diameter is drawn to a scale, dimension of a building. Fine, we'll see. If possible, we'll solve tomorrow. If not, only 10th one is enough. One volume question is enough. Okay, none of the questions they have asked. So if they ask, they'll just ask basic question like the 7th one which we solved, second question, third question. If they ask volume, they might ask the 10th one. A model of a ship is made to a scale. Okay, tomorrow at 9:30. Fine. So any doubts in this? Enlargement, reduction, scale factor, response to this. So we completed how many questions? 3, 4, 5, 7. Today 4 questions, right? 3, 4, 5, 7. Revise that. Okay, revise those 4 questions and attend at 9:30 tomorrow. All of you attend at 9:30. That's it for today. You all can leave, students.